Hi, I'm Darren Darnley here with VMAC Global Technology. Today I'm going to talk to you about VMAC's Underhood air compressor system. The models available are our Underhood 40 Truck Series, our Underhood 40 Van Series, our Underhood 70, and our Underhood 150. These models will deliver up to 40, 70, and 140 CFM at 100% duty cycle. VMAC manufactures these Underhood air compressors for the most popular work trucks and work vans. VMAC ensures mounting kits don't affect OEM warranty by working closely with vehicle manufacturers. The VMAC Underhood systems are engine-driven and they're installed under the hood of the truck, which protects them against the elements. They're proven in hot and cold climates as well. The Underhood systems are very lightweight, ranging from 62 pounds to 200 pounds, reducing the total GVW on your service truck. Also, having them under the hood of the truck reduces any footprint in the back of your service body so you can carry more tools and equipment. The VMAC VR40 is belt engine driven and it has a wasp tank which would go in the back of the service body and a control box in the cab of the truck with an on-off switch and hour meter. The VMAC VR70 and VR150 are belt engine driven off the truck's driveline. We have a 12-volt magnetic clutch, which would engage and disengage the air compressor. We have a cooler that we tie into the truck's radiator, which would allow the truck's coolant to heat and cool the air compressor oil. There's an air oil separator tank mounted under the frame rail of the truck, and a throttle control with air demand revs the truck up and down to allow more airflow. And we have a control box inside the cab, which has an on-off button, which we'll talk about a little more later. Some of the safety features are an electromagnetic clutch, a compressor thermal protection circuit, automatic blow-down valve on the separator tank, and a 200 psi pressure relief valve. There's also a truck drive disable circuit on the throttle control, which if the operator puts the truck in drive with the system running, it'll shut itself down. The truck park brake also has to be engaged in order to turn the system on, and if the park brake is disengaged, the system will shut down. Some of the common accessories for our Underhood systems are an air aftercooler, an FRL, and various air receiver tanks. VMAC offers a limited lifetime warranty on the compressor air end. So as I mentioned earlier in the video, this is VMAC's control box, which has an on-off switch, VMAC tech support number, and diagnostic settings. This is the VMAC control box for the VR70 and the VR150, which both operate the same way. Simply turn the truck on, make sure the truck's in park, the e-brake is engaged, and simply hit the on button, and the RPMs on the truck will increase to charge your air receiver tanks. To turn the system off, just simply hit the off button and you'll hear the pressure blow down out of the separator tank. I'm Darren Darnley with VMAC Global Technology. For more information, please visit our website at vmacair.com.